Let's work on some partial derivatives now. So let's write the question over here. We have a squared plus 1 to the power b divided by b, and we must differentiate this with respect to a. So that means that our variable of interest is a, we treat it like x, and then b is the constant. So what do we have here? We actually have a multiplication. We have 1 over b times a squared plus 1 to the power of b, and we're differentiating this with respect to a. Now why is it better to write it like that? Is to see that 1 over b is the constant that we're talking about. So when we differentiate a product that has a constant, we can take the constant out. So we will have only 1 over b times the derivative of a squared plus 1 to the power of b. And we differentiate this with respect to a. Now remember, b is a constant. B is like a number. When we have the power rule of x to the power of n, let's write it over here, x to the power of n derivative, that's just n times x to the power of n minus 1. So in our case, b is also like a number, like an n, so we can treat it as well. 1 over b times, we take the power down, so b, we're left with a squared plus 1 to the power of b minus 1, but then remember that we don't only have our variable of interest, we don't only have a, we have an expression of a, so we'll use the chain rule where we differentiate a squared plus 1 with respect to a. Okay, so what do we see here? We see some simplification. B and B cancel out, B and B cancel out, so we have now a squared plus 1 to the power of b minus 1 times, what is a squared plus 1 derivative with respect to a? That's just gonna be 2a. And that's it, we can't do anything more, we are done here.